Watch him breaking in. Stay on his head. Stay on his head. Stay on his head. Get up! Good. Come on, Jacob. Zipper two, here we go. Mason, weak side with Sailor. Hey, keep that ball. Jacob, make it hard to get in. Hop on your screen. Good. Mason, yeah. Back, Jacob. Dead. Hands up. Good. Come on, run. Set it up. Hit. No, Nova. Stay Nova. Jacob, get back. Run. Good. Hands up. How does it go? Run, Chase, run. Nova. Spacing, Jacob, Nova, spacing. Stay up. One go. Back down. Wait. Come on, let's go. Nova. People hand off you two. Communicate, Captain. Go! Get up! Stop the ball! Andre, take the pass! Stop! Make it hard. Get up! Hamid, get up! Don't reach, Hamid. Stop the ball, Harper. Circle! Off on your screen. Good. Nova. Get up. Emmett, you're not reaching. That's the top. Red, take your back. Good, you gotta hustle. That's the way to hustle. Drop that hand off. Good job. Good job, let's go. Keep going strong. Let's go. Nova.
Bob, is that 30 or 40?
Jacob's gonna get space. Jacob's gonna get space. Come on, Max, right away when the box out. That's not a good look. Jacob will force back a minute. It's blue.
Let's go.
Pass it. Max, pass it in. Jacob, go back. Break the door. Stop. Nova, Nova. Oh. You're in. We're doing that. Follow your shot, Andre. Stay up. Stop the ball. Stop the ball. That's it, Andre. Good hustle, Andre. Maryland. Chase, weak side block. Maryland. Keegan. Over. Hey, ball on your sleeves, Matt. Switch, Chase. Switch, Keegan. Switch, you two. Switch. Jackson, get out. Brandon, set it. Jackson, come on top. Safety valve, Jack. Get there. Cut. Circle, let's go. Jacob. Keep up. Good, all good. Run, have it run. One. Get up. Get up. Six. Hands up. On the ground. That's it. One and more. We're running Michigan. Last one. Great shot. Good shot. You, Jackson, go. You, Jackson. Good job. Here we go. Go. Jackson, go. Another shot. Let's go. Let's go. Good. We're in it. Max, cut through. Get up. Back, sprint, Chase, go right up, sprint. Whoa. Off the foot. No, but continue to wood. No way. Let's go, stop, let's go. Nova, come on. Matt, they wouldn't even initiate that space. Give it to him. Jacob, the ball. Go. All right, good idea, Grady. Good idea. Nova. Good. Now who you got, Bert? We're in Butler. Go, Reed. Get up. That's the way to take it, Jacob. Come on, boys. Good up. Outlet. Let's go. Now who we got? Butler on D. Chase up higher. Not the corner, the slot. Good, Hendrick. Short. Follow it, Chase. Deep. Get back. Stop the ball. Get there, Bert. Get there. Mason head. Quick. Outlet. Come on, Andre Powell. Push. Nova. That's it, Andre. Oh! Run! Bert, pass it in. That was soft coming off that, Andre. Hit, yeah, hit. That's good. I like it, Andre. Get up, follow it. Stop the goal. Hands out, make the move, Jacob, make the turn. Don't switch that. Come on. Stop, go. Come on. Nova, be tough, let's go, right now. Get in. Come on. Time out. Jacob, in the corner. Okay. Now, come on, Jake. What are you waiting on? Get up. No, he's not. Bird, don't chase, Bird. Dead. Take it, Bird, take it. Okay. Get in there, you want it. Don't switch it, don't say it. Now let him go. Go, push, take push. One guy. Bob, have it on the block. Jacob, pass it. Hey, no foul, let's go, Bob, no foul. Chase, right here. Bert, higher. Get up. Get up. Know who you got. Watch these, Andre. Good shot. Sprint. Stop ball. Carry. Travel. 3 seconds. Come on, Blue. Right here. Chase, get ready. I'm ready to shoot. Chase, clap. Deep. 3, 2. Dude, stay help. Hand off, coming, Chase. Back play. Go to work. Nope. Pick. We're in. Pick. 3 down, Jacob. Outside. Blow up. That's it. Oh. Good. Stop the ball. Stay him. Take him. Get up through. Good. No one touches across the face. Nova. Work. Stop looking to go to the corner every time you catch it. Control yourself here. Jab step. Read the defense. Oh, one, Jack. Go. Bert, come here. Good rebound, let's go. Hey, we're down head. Here we go. Know who we got. We're up. Get up. Let's go. Oh, don't go. Swing, let's go. Good job, Jackson. Gene, come on, Sailor. Deep. Roll up. Off his leg. Jacob, watch the weak side block. Hands up, don't jump. Hands up. Don't let him get back to safety. Outside. Over. Move, don't reach. Let that work. Here. Come on, let's go right. Get left. We're not switching anymore, Evan. Help him recover. Nova. Head to hand off here. Hand off. You two.
Follow. Follow, please.
Good.
Get there, Andre. Shooter. Oh, nope. Hands up, hands up. Travel, travel. Hey, double, right now, double. Double.
Here we go, blue, blue. Crazy, Sailor, blue. Gotta go, get out, Sailor. Blue.
Look at the corner.
Casey, get the paint.
Wing it. Wing it.
Step in.
Good take.
Back
Get up, get up, get up, get up, get up.
Do not reach, Bennett. Make it hard.
Whoa. Get there, Andre.
Good D, Andre. No.
Stop. Hey, match up. Jacob, you got 40 now. Jacob, you got 40. Max, you got the person taking the ball. Hit your team. Help, hands up, head. Go, run, Max, look at the ball. Stop. That's it, Berkey. Come on. Don't just let him ride. Stay in him, Bert. Force the left. Shot. Oh. You there, Chase. Won't shoot. Turn.
Yo, Colin, way to step in.
That's a good charge, Bert. Right. You don't have to have that ball still in his hand for it to be a charge, right? The guy doesn't have to have the ball in his hand still for it to be a charge, right? Okay, want to make sure. Jacob, you handle it. Bert, you got the shooter. A butt better hit him. You better make contact. Matt, pitch. A butt better hit him, Bert. Get it. Hands up. Jacob, hey, once you have position, it's driving him back, and then you can explode to the ball. I'll handle him, Andre. Bert, hit the shooter. Now let go. Push.
Swing, Zach. Back to it. Taylor, River Chase.
Stay up. Make it hard. Make it hard,
Chase, give
Andre.
yourself space, right? Come up here.
Bert, closer. Just off the back. Good, right there. Recover, Bert. Recover, Bert. Dead. Stay in him. Dead. Go under. Watch the shot. Keep it left. Keep it left. Keep it there.
Good D, man.
I'll let it go. Go. Run, Bert, move forward.
Step in, keep ball.
Jacob, your ball side block. Andre, weak side block. Max, pass it in. Jacob, ball side block. Texas.
Check Raymond.
Hey,
Go under, Chase. Do it. Turn around.
Yep.
Take away weak side block.
Hey, hit on offense, hit. Max and Jacob, pass it in, bring it up. Bert, you're pinching. Jacob, handle him. Matt, butt hits the shooter. Make contact. Hit. Look to go back doors, down there. Look to go back doors.
There, you gotta go your shooter. Shoot there.
Come on, we're in. I'm going to see you away.
You foul, Zach. Reach.
Perfect.
Play. Come here, Mason. Yeah, go again.
Don't need to reach, Jacob.
Let's go. Chase, drop a little bit. He's going to cut her after he throws it in. Right? Cut back to it.
Hit. You got that, Andre. Hit. You're in. Speedway, Bert. Speedway. Bert, touch you, Andre. You're in. Spacing's there. Speedway, Bert.
Andre.
Better, Max. Good, Jacob.
More Chase. Get out. He's
Oh, boy. Two. Now let's go. Go. Go to the middle. That's it. Come on.
Who's here? Move your feet, boys.
Cover, here. Watch the step back. Hands out, go under. Go travel. Let's go. One shot. Hands out. Watch the shooter. Back in, Andre. Jump it. Shooter.
Let's go.
Watch you, Bert. Good.
Let's go.
Come on, Jacob, don't leave. Take it first. Just make a move. That's carry. Stay in him.
Yeah, let's go. Good job. Let's go.
You feel it. Go.
Corner. Gotta go, Keegan.
Hands out. Hands out, boss. Good. First, no one touch in front of your face. Don't bite on him.
Nova.
Finish.
Hands out. Come on, work on the right.
Watch the shooter. Come on, Jacob. I'll let him go. 1-4, Chase.
Nova. Step in. Game up. Let's go.
Look at the advantage. Chase, come on. Read the defense. All over you. That's it, Andre. Get up.
Nova, Brady. Shoot back to him.
Let's go left. Watch out, Andre. You got shooter. You got help, Andre. Help him recover. Hit the ball.
Get on the ground. Come on,
Watch the inside block. Watch the inside block. Work on it. Keep, shooter. That's the shooter in the corner. Stay in it, Bert. Make him go left. Jacob, watch the shooter there. Nova. You got an advantage on the block.
Now go, Brady! Brady, stay there!
Nova.
Up, no pressure! In! Keep going!
Down. We gotta get one over there. Max, sub.
Who's got new? Who's go?
Gentlemen, you gotta get who's goal.
Who had new? Let's go! Swing!
Make
Up right now!
Max, you gotta do it. That's the shooter.
Jackson, do it!
Bert, come on.
Every time.
Jackson!
Why do you keep going to the corner?
Good!
Jacob, pass it in. Block.
Jackson, help! Good, Chase, your goal.
Come back out, Jacob.
Back here!
Hit. You're in. Hit it. Follow it, Bert. Get here. Watch the shot. Get in him. Right there. Make him go left. Get in him. Make him go left. Good. Keep him there. Step back. Bravo. Come on, Bert. Get the ball. Make him go. Shot. Hey, man, that's why you don't argue with the ref. Now he had to remember the whole game. I'll argue. Go! Get up! Let's go. I want this ball back. Hey, third, let's keep. Who's here? Come on! Yeah! Come on, good. Really? Good move. Oh,
Rebound, let's go, rebound. Jack, you got shooter.
We'll get it, man.
Dave, you go.
Keep him left and sit on the step back. Good, Chase turn. Andre, force him left. Don't want it. Force him left, don't want no handoff. Good help, Bert, good help. Hands up. Come on, Andre. Time out.
Here it comes. Outside. Take the action, outside.
Hit. We're in it. Oh, Reese, come on. Oh,
Jesse!
Go! My number, keep the ball. Max, working. Get in. Get in. Force him left, Jacob, sit on the step back. He goes left, he's going to step back. Keep him left, Bruce, you got it. Keep him left, hands up. Bert, you know why you got called? You know why you got called there, Bert? Bottom hand is on. drive him out. Bert, touch the shooter. Nova.
Little handoff, Christian Jackson. Little handoff coming. Get down.
Chase, work the ball.
121.
Be strong.
Chase, come here.
Be strong. One more time, let's go. Same thing. One more time. Stop on, right?
13 blue.
5 on.